How to use proximity words in CQuill Writer. When you type or double-click a word, the assistant will show you something we call proximity words. These are words that the author commonly uses with the word you just typed. In this sentence, I select the word woman. I have Jane Austen assistant loaded. I am interested in an adjective that would fit into Jane Austen writing style. In the simple view, I see whole sentences, with the word woman in the center. Clicking on the colored or buttonized view, the words will be marked by the part of speech type. Verbs are red. Nouns are blue, adverbs are purple, and adjectives are orange. Using my mouse wheel, I can scroll down to see what adjectives Jane Austen used in front of a word woman. She liked to use words such as agreeable, happy, sensible, elegant, and many others. When I switch to the categorized view, I can see the words sorted by the part of speech type. Let's say I like the word elegant. If I drag the sentence so the word elegant is in the middle, then it became the keyword and I see all proximity words around the word elegant. Clicking on the Assistant Suggestions button will open all Jane Austen synonyms for the word elegant. I may like word delightful. Clicking on it will open more words related to it. To save interesting words, you can use Wordboard. Wordboard is like a permanent clipboard for words, phrases, or whole sentences. Clicking on any word in the assistant will add it to the word board. To delete a word, click on it and press delete or drag it beyond the last word. Double-clicking the word in the assistant or in the word board will add it to the editor.